Most of the times I use these action cameras, DJI, GoPro, Insta360 to film underwater. But recently I decided to go a step further and to improve my video quality underwater. So I bought the Sony a6700, and I must confess that in terms of photography and video I really like this camera. And one of the reasons I bought this camera, because I wanted to use for snorkeling, and I also bought, after some research, the housing from Seafrogs. It was the video stabilization, because when you film underwater, especially in snorkeling, you are on the surface. So in the active stabilization mode in video, I had the idea that the stabilization was good. And after testing the camera underwater, I realized that the stabilization is not like an action camera, but it's actually quite good. And I was surprised by several things. One of the things is that, and I shoot in video auto mode, and one of the things I realized is the colors. The colors are very natural, and in color correction you have a latitude that is quite different from the action camera color grading. So more natural colors, more capability of color grading. And regarding the housing, I was really surprised by the quality. I was able, when I want to free dive, it's easy to go down. You can control all the features, including the zoom. You can control the zoom, you can switch mode. I'm really happy about the housing. I felt that when I was free diving, it was easy to go down. I felt it was easy to operate the camera, and I'm really happy I made this upgrade in terms of underwater video. Of course, that this camera in the future, I will try many things, and if you have any suggestions, please tell me. I want to put the underwater white balance mode, and I want to go further in terms of putting the camera in actual manual mode and improve the ability to operate. So I'm really happy with this solution. This is just a first impression video, and the more I use the camera, the more I go underwater with the camera, I will share with you my experience. So I will put a little bit of my first experience with the camera for you to appreciate the natural colors and the ability to operate this camera underwater.